There's a golf club Andis hairdryer. Wow, so warm. Thought it was cheap, but not that cheap. Wow, this thing really sucks. Does it still work? Yes. Try not to be too loud because there's people that actually like peace over here. So I'm just gonna try to break that off. It's so loud. So damn cheap. Somehow it's still intact outside of its shell. Well, that reeks. Well, that was weird. Never seen a hairdryer do that before. Although, to be fair, I've only destroyed one other hairdryer, so. Shatter. Fancy motor. Not gonna bother burning it out. Well, no more Andis hairdryer.